In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android Auto not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android Auto connection issues, especially on Samsung Galaxy from S23 to S26 or Google Pixel devices, are often tied to a specific bug, and it could be a security update or it could be from advanced protection mode. So many users have found that a new Android 16 security feature blocks USB data transfers until the phone's unlocked, preventing Android Auto from even launching. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel. Then on the top right again, go ahead and click on the settings wheel cog icon. Now from here, go ahead and scroll down until you find security and privacy. From here, go ahead and find advanced protection. So we could just go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see more security settings or just more privacy settings as well. And all you want to do is where it says allow USB data while locked, you just want to go ahead and click that on. Where it says block USB connections while locked, this is currently enabled for me. Go ahead and disable that, and then Android Auto should definitely work. And what you could also do is go back again, go ahead and scroll down until you find apps. Then from here, go ahead and find Android Auto, and then go ahead and go to storage. And if it has any cache, go ahead and clear the cache. Then try using Android Auto again, and then it should work. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.